कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Hakas ngisdang jong ka prime mega prenia expo arajar psa ka benta kong jong ka program ka de Jinghikai ya ki nong sengkam Kumno bagin song ya ki Jingbam bagi ladap penmi ne ya ka bagi khot ka packaging u resource person ubashim ya ka benta ban Jinghikai hakni ka technical session on packaging udai ubhanu pratap singh hakni ka benta la Jinghikai ya ki nong sengkam Kumno bagin song ya ki Jingbam hadien baladap penmi kum ki chips ki ngam ki musla ki sos bat kum ta ter khnang bakur kom song kan long ka internet bat ka bakhoj bat ka bakinong thiet ru kin hun man siem ha ba ki thiet ki Jingbam.
It's not that only I will tell, but you all will learn from each other. So those who are doing something, please, if you have a brand name, please write. If you don't have, then also think something and write. If you have tagline, write. If you don't have, then also write. And maybe some of 5 or 10 of you will present it, and then we'll see can it be improved. Few ideas. Your tagline and your brand should show something related. It's not like I'm Bhanu Pratap, so my brand name is Bhanu. What is Bhanu? Who will know Bhanu? But if my brand name is Secrets of Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra is northeast. Our agro products are sold in the name of Secrets of Brahmaputra. So it immediately captures secrets. I mean, we are bringing it from the interiors. We are bringing some products from Champai, some products from your Tura, Nongstoin, some products from, Manipur, Aizawl. So these are the secrets, hidden products and very unique products. So we call it Secrets of Brahmaputra.com. So similarly, your brand name should be there. Please, if it is there, write. We can improve. If it is not there, then think something and write immediately. You have only 5 to 7 minutes. Don't take much time. And tagline also. And how you will do it? Think of your dream. For 1 minute, think you are only one sitting here, forget about others, and why you joined this. Why you took up this challenge. I mean, why you became entrepreneur. You all are extraordinary people who are entrepreneurs. So, your dream, what is your dream, that can also reflect in your tagline. Your dream, I want to become very big. Or very successful, and I am into tea, for example. So I want to become very big means how I will become big or very successful. My tea becomes popular everywhere. So what should be my tagline of my tea? If it has to be popular or available across the world, so my tea tagline cannot be nature blessing. Nature blessing is everywhere. Something, which everyone likes, the tea of the people or something like that. I don't know. But use your dream. When you dream big, dream like a mad guy. Without thinking about others, what others will think, dream like a mad guy. Then your tagline will come very nicely.
Go fresh, go green. I am a startup and it's not yet in stores right now. It's eco-friendly vegetable packaging. So I would say in just one sentence, my dream is eco-green revolution. I want to reduce plastic and to replace plastic bags by eco-friendly, local, sustainable packaging and promote the local farmers as I think a revolution, eco-green revolution. I think if sir can help me, we can go to Google and see what's eco-green revolution. Thank you so much.
बड़ा चीज को एक बार लिखिए, like your farmers, environment, plastic, benefit, convert it into a small line. So maybe you can say supporting environment, supporting farmers. People get clarity. Eco-green, supporting environment, supporting farmers. That's it. बाकी स्टोरी उसमें लिखा रहेगा, products में. 3-4 lines. We exist to reduce the plastic pollution, enhance the, increase the natural packaging, support the local communities. Our story of 3-4 lines that should come on every product. Tagline should be a kind of a heading for your story. होता है ना हेडिंग में लिखा मेघालय is a state here, capital here, and so that is the story, and your heading is your tagline. So tagline you just mention like this. You can make more, but just small, which people can speak. Nike tagline, let's do it. Means अब उसके नीचे let's do it क्या फिटनेस में कुछ भी करना है Nike का पहन लो कर लो. Nike का करो मार जाओ. So that gives a confidence कि आज मेरे का Nike. So every sports person dream is to have a Nike shoe. वो उसको और कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
Sir, I'm making a lactogenic cookie. So first question is how much should I be? But mine right now what I've written is embrace the maternal touch of Meghalaya with every cookie. Is that too long or is it catchy enough?
It is very good. Meghalaya, for babies from Meghalaya, something like that should be the
So
tagline.
it's mainly for the mothers.
Something like that your cookies are good for mothers eating or baby eating.
Like these for mothers who are breastfeeding.
Okay, so for mothers, so something support of mother, health of mothers from the nature of Meghalaya.
Okay, but it has to be some catchy, right? Like this.
Like that, health, care. You can make better because this is your idea. Yes.
So what is your take on there is a particular thing that is happening nowadays. There are certain brands make undergarments. You say that our undergarments, the fabric is antibacterial. Is that really so or that's a marketing gimmick?
That is, during the process of that cotton and all, they must be adding some, chemicals and all. But that is a technical production thing of the, cotton or this yarn manufacturing. But it's there. Antibacterial is something, maybe some chemicals they must be adding in the yarn during the manufacturing, so it becomes antibacterial. But every cloth is antibacterial if you keep it clean. Bacteria comes when? When it is, your undergarments you are washing every day, it is clean, how bacteria will come? So there it is a marketing gimmick. We don't require it to be antibacterial.